Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jose in Illinois on the Ranger RCI 99N4. Jose, got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, clarifier mod, electrolytic capacitor upgrade, and voltage regulator upgrade. We'll start with RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. Got you set about 20 watts, Jose. That way if you decide to run like a 16 pill or bigger, you have full adjustability. Just about 120 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low, getting up there around 220 or so bird. 500 watt slug in PEP mode. Low, 500 watt slug in the corner. Alrighty, Jose, let's show you what it's doing on sideband. Hello, 1 2 3 1 2 1 2. Hello, 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 hello. 500 watts on the money. Jose, we're gonna get this out to you tomorrow via the big brown truck. And I use a Superstar mic most of the time. I do have a sale on the Static 636 microphone. If you're watching this and you need a mic, these do come with the SRA 198 Chrome Edition. Some of you guys might like those, but I prefer either Superstar or the Static 636 myself. Okay, Jose, headed your way from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum, bum.